Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to be looking at the Jethro SC330 V2. Now this isn't the V1. How is it not the V1? The V2 has a prolonged battery life and it comes in a fancy red color. Those are the major differences. The list continues, however. Here is the IMEI number. The IMEI number is unique to each model and can help you determine service provider compatibility. Once you open the box, you'll find the Quick Setup Guide. The Quick Setup Guide is basically a manual for people who don't want to read the manual. Now this is short and it gets straight to the point on all the major aspects of the phone. It's easy to read and contains certifications that the phone has. Here you'll find a piece of paper that lets you know Jethro is on Facebook, Amazon, and their website, plus the customer warranty card. Next we have the handy instruction manual. The instruction manual will contain all the information you need to know in depth compared to the Quick Setup Guide. I'm going to set out the dock, the wall charger, and then the cable. Now, the phone comes with the dock, which makes so the phone can easily be charged without directly plugging the cable into the phone. I'm going to show you how you set this up. You need to plug in this cable to the back of the dock. Right there, you'll see a little opening that can fit the cable. Plug the wall charger in, and then obviously you can untangle the little string there and it will stretch out longer. Next, I want to show you how to open up the back cover on this phone. You'll see on the bottom left there's a little opening that you can pull up towards the Scion. It comes off pretty easily if you pull hard enough. You can take out the battery and see how the SIM card is inserted. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this in a second. The SIM card goes on the left and the SD card goes on the right. Please do not get them confused, you might break them. There you go, you can see, and that's where the SD card goes. Now I'm going to show you close up how to insert the SIM card. Remember, contacts facing down, slant to the right. And let's see that again close up. It's really easy if you know what you're doing, but it's really hard if you don't know what you're doing. There you go. Put the battery back in, facing down, please. Back cover back on, open up the phone, and then hold down the red button for at least 5 seconds. The phone will turn on, and once the phone is on, you can see already that the numbers are big, the screen is big, and you can see the time. There is an M1 and M2 button. These buttons allow for one button calling, so program whatever number you want. On the back, you have the SOS button, where you click it, it will call up to 6 pre-programmed numbers and send out one pre-customizable SMS message. As you can see, the numbers are big, just like all Jethro phones. It's simple, there's nothing that complicated about it, and it's easy.